Special beans gravy curry. You can serve it along with any food. It gives best taste when served along with chapati, rotti or rice. Let's move to the video. In a grinder jar, take 1 onion, 5 garlics, 1 inch size ginger, 1/4 cup of water. Grind it into a paste form. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. Then add the grinded paste to it. Saute it for 2 minutes on medium flame. Then keep it low flame and add the masalas. Add half teaspoon Kashmiri Red Chilli Powder. Kashmiri Chilli is optional. We add it for better coloring. Then add 1 teaspoon Coriander Powder, 1/4 teaspoon Turmeric Powder, half teaspoon Garam Masala Powder, half teaspoon pepper powder, 3/4 teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Saute it for a minute.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Now add 1 cup of chopped beans to it. Mix it well. Saute it for 2 minutes. Then add 1 cup of water and mix it. Close the lid and cook for 10 minutes on low flame. After 10 minutes, we can open the lid. Add 2 tablespoons curd to it. Also add 1/4 cup of water. Mix it well. Boil for 3 minutes on low flame. After 3 minutes, switch off the flame. Special beans gravy curry is ready. If you need, you can add coriander leaves or curry leaves for different taste.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.